Are you sweeping? You helping Daddy clean up? Oh yeah, good job. You're doing a good job. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good job. Get under the table, yeah. Oh yeah. One day we'll put a rake in your hand. You can go outside. Do you know how to mow the grass? You want to go mow the lawn? Oh, are you cleaning the table? Where's your ball? Get the ball off the table. No? Oh, are you done cleaning? Oh, yeah.
That's correct. When the NRC tested this, that's what they're
calling
it, acoustically speaking. And the trick here is not the actual metal that's inside, but it's the polymer, the viscoelastic polymer that's on both sides of it.
Good job.
To convert acoustic energy into heat, which you can't hear, and nor could you feel that. If I use this, that's correct. I'm going to stop really the high frequencies, but not necessarily the low frequencies. That's correct.
Mommy will be proud and happy. Yep.
And any kind of bass that happens that's on a low decibel level,
oh, she'll be happy.
But if you got a high decibel
you're
level,
cleaning.
where you really crank it to a point of a concert speaker, let's say, this is going to be hard pressed to stop that because this viscoelastic polymer only has so much capacity. Well, I'm actually going to take this wall down because it concerns me as to why.
Yeah, put that out of the way. I don't think anyone on the TV wants it. Yeah. Whoa! Uh-oh. Gizmo, do you have chapped lips? Ethan was going to put chapstick on you. Hey, Gator. Gator. Hi. You going to talk or no? No talking? Oh. Oh, take your pick. Soccer ball? Chapstick. Oh, I'm gonna give it a Gizmo? Yeah, haha. You gonna play catch? Yeah. Oh. Haha. Yeah? Gizmo. Good job, buddy. All right. Let me finish.